Hooper, talk to you for a second.
Step in my office.
Look, that gag you guys came up with this morning, 100,000 way out of line.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's my price. It's not negotiable.
Everything's negotiable, Hooper. I know you're making big noises just to jack up your fee. But here it is, 20 grand for the jump. Because when you get right down to it, that's all this is, just another car jump.
Really?
Better fasten your seatbelt.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm just thinking over your offer. I think better when I'm driving.
Hooper, don't get excited. Maybe we can compromise.
I never compromise. Life is too short. So are you.
Maybe we got off on the wrong foot, Hooper.
I don't think so.
Oh, Jesus!
Just another car jump. Did you enjoy that?
No, no.
Hey, Scotty!
Hi, Jaden.
Hey, William, you won the day, buddy!
I love westerns. Woo!
Yeah, here comes the wild man!
Price is 100 grand.
100 grand will be just fine.
Okay, Hoop?
Oh, yeah, just couldn't be better.
Nice
I
going.
figure you might get a little sick in a second.